Did you know that figs are one of the oldest fruits cultivated by humans? People have been growing figs for over 11,000 years. But here's the real shocker. Most fig trees aren't reaching their full potential. If you're growing figs in Zone 9 and not seeing big, juicy harvests, you're probably missing some key tips that could transform your crop. Stick around because I'm going to reveal how to get a bumper crop of figs every year. Hey, gardeners! If you're in Zone 9, you're in the perfect climate to grow figs. But growing them right is the trick to getting a massive harvest year after year. Figs thrive in warm, sunny weather, but there are a few things you need to know to go from a few fruits to a full basket. In this video, we'll cover simple steps to boost fig production, watering secrets, pruning tricks, and handling pests naturally. Let's dive into the basics and beyond. Choose the right variety. The first step to fig success: choosing the right variety. Not all figs are equal. For Zone 9, the top varieties are Celeste and Brown Turkey.
These types love heat and are both hardy and heavy producers.
If you're just starting or adding a tree, go for one of these. The perfect planting spot. Figs need sunshine, lots of it. Your tree should get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. If your tree's in a shady spot, you'll get leaves but not much fruit. Also, make sure it's in well-drained soil to avoid root rot. Watering secrets for big, juicy figs. Here's a game changer. Figs need water, but not too much. Water deeply, but less often, about every 7 to 10 days during the growing season. Deep watering helps roots grow deeper and improves fruit quality. But too much water can lead to tasteless figs, so keep it balanced. The power of pruning. Pruning can make or break your fig harvest. Each year, trim dead branches and thin out the tree to let light and air reach the inner branches.
Prune in late winter to boost fruit production.
Don't worry, fig trees can handle a good trim. Figs don't need a lot of fertilizer, but a little boost helps. In early spring, give your tree a balanced fertilizer like a 10-10 mix, but don't overdo it. Compost or organic mulch around the tree's base also keeps soil rich and moist. Keep an eye on pests the natural way. Birds, ants, and squirrels love figs too. Use bird netting or shiny objects to scare them off. For ants, sprinkle diatomaceous earth around the base. You don't need harsh chemicals. Keeping things organic keeps your tree healthy and your figs tasty. And there you have it, 6 simple steps to turn your Zone 9 fig tree into a fruit-producing machine. Follow these tips and you'll enjoy a bumper crop of figs every year. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more gardening advice. Drop a comment if you're growing figs or have questions. See you in the next video.